gay. I almost got it.
How do you get through there?
Oh, I'm still right there.
Come here, man. I'm not recording this whole thing. All this drunken shenanigans.
I'm fucking sober.
I am too. I forgot the rum. I brought the Coke. It's like a bad Johnny Depp movie.
Where's the rum?
Yeah, he knows the trick, man. Unhook that intake, man. And put it in first, floor it, and go. Put your feet down, walk along.
Way over there. I don't know where he was over there.
I have no idea, dude. He's like, but you know when you're on a dirt bike, you just find a way. You're moving, you fucking just point it. I don't know. Somehow I got through there, dude. You gonna throw a rock at him?
Cool river rock.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I lost it too. I think I can replay that later.
That was retarded.
That was cool. Yeah, good hiding spot from Tyler.
Come up here.
Jump this, Tyler.
Dude. We're gonna jump for you.
We got a good jump. You want a big jump?
Check this out.
It's kind of like that, but smaller. Come on, buddy. Here, smoke pot before you do that.
If I had a better bike, dude, I'd fucking
do it, dude.